Hi there. So today I'm going to try and show you how I'm using speech recognition to improve the speed of my marking and also the quality of my marking when I'm marking children's books. We all know that marking is a hugely time-consuming process, and personally I found myself spending hours when I was at home going through children's books trying to put in worthwhile marking. I didn't want to spend time writing comments and putting things into their books that weren't going to be used in the long run, and found myself spending hours of my time writing things in the book purely just to tick boxes at school. So I wanted to come up with a way of using a computer to try and speed this up. And the way I've done this is by using a piece of software called Dragon Naturally Speaking. And this program basically takes everything that you say and turns it into written word. What this then allows me to do is print that written word onto some stickers using a sticker printer that I bought for £30 off of eBay. It's really cheap. And then I can use those stickers and stick them at the bottom of the page that I've just been marking. That way I can still mark the child's book by hand using pink and green or whatever system you use, but my feedback that I'm giving the children, and a question perhaps that I want to leave them, is typed for me automatically, saving me the time of having to write that comment. And I'm going to try and show you today how I'm doing that. So let's imagine that I've got a book here on my desk, a literacy book. Child's just done a piece of writing and I want to mark it. So what I would do is I would open up my marking spreadsheet here and start from the beginning. So when I press this red button here, that basically arms Dragon and will then start turning everything that I say into text. So while I'm going through the book, I'll be marking it and speaking as I'm marking, and the computer then turns that into writing. So I'm going to give you a demonstration and sort of pretend that I'm marking a book here for you. So here we go. Well done today, comma. You've tried really hard with this piece of work, exclamation mark. I'm really impressed by your use of adjectives, full stop. New line. How could you expand this sentence further, question mark. So here you can see everything that I've said while marking that piece of work has been dictated for me and is ready to go. What I can then do is take that book, put it to one side, press enter, and now I'm ready for the next book. And again, I could repeat the process. Next book out is in front of me. I'll arm the microphone ready to go. And I don't know, let's just say that this piece of work, they didn't finish it quite on time. I'm glad that you made a good start with this piece of writing, although I would have hoped for a lot more in one session, full stop. New line. What challenges did you face in this lesson, question mark. So there we go, I've stopped it from listening to me and recording what I'm saying. I'll press enter again, ready for the next book. So what I would typically do is have my books in a pile in front of me on my desk, go through, do the marking, in pen still, but recording my comments as we go. Then, once I'm happy with that, I can click this button over here, and what this then does, brings up some warnings. This is just completely normal, so I just click yes, I'll click yes again, when it pops up with another message. And what this is now doing is sending all that information across to the printing software for my little label printer that I've got. And what I've done is I've already set myself up some label formats, and here we are, here's my labels, and on each label it actually has my name as well, so the child knows it was me that left them that comment. And here down the bottom, you can see already all that information from Excel has been brought across, ready to go onto the labels. And then all I have to do is over here, click the print and click that I want to print all of them. And I'll click print and it's sending it through to my printer. And when they come out, I'll show you what they look like. And what I'll then do is just go through the roll of stickers and stick them onto the books. So here we go, they've just come out. And It's already printed a few that I printed earlier just as a test one. And here we are. I don't know if you can see that. I've got my stickers ready to go, ready to be stuck into the child's book at the bottom of their book. Now this has saved me a huge amount of time. I'm quite a slow writer, but it's allowing me to mark with the same quality of marking that I want to achieve, and actually I'm giving them much more specific feedback to their work. So that's just a basic overview of what I've been trialling. If you've got any questions or anything, please feel free to leave me a comment in the link below. And if you want to find out any more about the software, the files, or the printer that I'm using, again, please feel free to send me a message. Thanks very much.